Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the door on your Samsung dryer. First, ensure your safety by unplugging the dryer from its power source. This is a crucial step to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, gather your tools. You'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's remove the existing door. Open the dryer door fully to a 90-degree angle to give you clear access to the hinges. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws on each of the two hinges that attach the door to the dryer's main body. Once all 4 screws are removed, gently lift the door straight up and off the hinge pins, then place it on a soft surface. With the door removed, it's time to reverse the components. You'll need to remove the hinge assemblies, the door strike, and the door latch from their current positions. These parts are typically held by 2 to 3 screws each. Once removed, simply install them onto the corresponding pre-drilled holes on the opposite side of the dryer's door opening. Make sure to tighten all screws securely to ensure proper function and alignment. Finally, let's reattach the door. Carefully align the door hinges with the newly installed hinge pins on the dryer frame. Once aligned, insert the hinge screws and tighten them firmly, ensuring the door is securely mounted. Give the door a few gentle swings to test its operation. Make sure it opens and closes smoothly and that the latch engages correctly. Plug your dryer back in and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.